Hi everyone, welcome back. It's Matt with Garden Distractions. I'm really excited for this video today because I just purchased some grow lights for my plant stand and we're going to unbox them and put them together. Now, this is no way at all sponsored by the company that I ordered them from, so just wanted to get that out there. So let's jump to it. It's coming in a nice big Amazon box. There should be 5 lights in here, 1 for each shelf, and a couple of extension cords to run those lights together. So here we go. So they're Casno LED lights. They're T5. They are 11.5 inches long, and there are 5 of them. Then we have 1 power cord. So this guy here with an on and off switch, but I'm just gonna leave this as on, and I'm gonna connect them to my smart switch. And then these are the connecting cords to go from light to light. They're not gonna be quite long enough, and that's why I ordered these guys. So each one of these can go in between each light so that they can be connected together. These are the male pieces, and then these are the female pieces. So they just go inside like that. And then the next light would just go on the other end of that, if you wanted to make it a little bit longer. And then these guys, let's open this up so I can show you a little bit better. There we go. And then this guy, you put 1 screw inside like that. And then this guy clips on the ends, just like so. And then you can screw it in to your shelf or whatever you're working with. I'm not going to use those because I have a glass and metal shelf that I'm using. Now, before I actually set them up on the planting shelf, I'm going to just plug it in just to see what it looks like. Now, before I go and set them up, there's a little bit of information that I did read over and I thought that it might be useful for you guys if you decide to purchase these and set them up. They are recommended for indoors. They're good for a plant room, storage room, living room, dining room, all those kind of things. Don't put them in a damp, wet, moist area because they're not waterproof. The recommended time for growing and height: for a seedling stage, you want 16 to 18 hours, 20 to 40 inches away from the light. Your vegetative state is going to be 12 to 16 hours, and it's going to be 15 to 25 inches away from the plant. And then your flowering stage is going to be 10 to 12 hours and 10 to 15 inches away from the plant. The lighting time and height can be adjusted according to the plant that you are going to be growing. One more thing is that they are extremely bright LED lights and they are harmful to your eyes, so do not look directly at them. Alrighty, here we go. We're going to set them up now. So because my power supply is right here, what I'm going to do is we're going to do 2 runs of lights on both the front and the back. So 1 here and then another 1 here. And then to go between those lights, I'm going to take this guy. We'll connect it together like that, and we'll run another light. And then I'm going to take this And it's going to run up the other side, up to this shelf. And then we'll do 2 more lights here. And then I'll run 1 more line up to the top. So I'm going to have 2 lights, and then 1 light. To connect them on to the glass, I'm just going to take some Command 3M strips. So these guys here. And that will just stick onto the glass, and then I'll be able to take them off when I'm done with them. So here we go. So I already put the Command 3M strips on the back. When using these, you want to push them on for 30 seconds and then take the piece off on the back. This is for your wall side. And then apply a good amount of pressure for 30 seconds. So that's the first one on, and then we're going to take the intermediate cable and attach that right now. All right, here's the moment of truth. So I am using the existing plug-in switch that I had from my old light that was on here. Now that I got about 2.5 weeks ago or so, and I didn't find that the plants were really growing from it. So I'm upgrading to this system, and I'm also going to be planting a lot more stuff. So I'm going to be using these shelves. That's why I'm upgrading to this system. Now it's on the smart switch. So I'm just going to say, hey Google, turn on the plant lights. And nothing. Let's try that again. Hey Google, turn on the plant lights. It looks like you're in a sauna, or like you're about to get your tan on in a tanning bed. It's actually really pretty light. All right, there we go. So plants are back on. This is temporary right now until I start doing a couple more videos. Once I do the seeding, these are then going to be filled up, just like the bottom here. And then these I'm going to put around the condo until the seeds are big enough, and then I transplant them and it's nice enough to go outside. Thank you guys for coming along on this video today. I hope you learned something new. I will leave the link for the lights in the bottom description here. With over 830 reviews at 4.5 out of 5 stars. I thought that these were good. I read the reviews. They were really, really good lights. So we're giving them a try, and I will let you guys know how they turn out. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. And please also share. It means a lot to me. Have a good one, guys. Bye. Not that my skin glows in the dark to begin with, but you know what I mean. Okay, so that's all done. I'm going to put the plants back on, and hopefully we'll see some growth.